Hello, Jane Fays here from Sydney, Australia. I'm just starting on a collage. This is an A3 size, and what I'm working on is just really laying down a bed of vintage papers on which I'm going to feature some of the poster art that I retrieved from a poll in Melbourne just a couple of days ago. If you've followed me on YouTube or on Instagram, you may have seen that I collected a lovely lot of poster art, poster fragments, and I have collated them. I've torn them apart and collated them in their poster groups or their colours, and hopefully you can see that without it being too glary. As you can see, I've put little families of posters together because what my purpose is now is to just give you a flick through there, hoping you can see that okay. Goes quite a bit, and there's lots not in here. There's a whole big bag that I haven't sorted yet. So this particular one, I really love the colouring, and I'm actually going to use this fragments of that over my collage, but initially I'm going to adhere all these pieces. That's a piece of A3 mixed media board under there. It's a 300 GSM. It's a bit heavier weight than I have been using. But as you can see, there's a change of direction in a lot of the text. There's a combination of numbers and verse and Roman numerals, music, rust dyeing, a statistical document, etc. So there's quite a variety there, and I'm just going to take my time to lay that down. What I've done is taken a photo of that so that I can very delicately take it apart and then glue it down in order in which it needs to go. So you'll notice that this piece, this statistical piece, goes under this and that, and then that sits over these two, but then that sits over that. That's underneath everything. So one of my first layers will be this one and this one and this one and probably this one, and then I'll start building up the next layers. The way I do that is with a matte medium. This is the brand I use, and the just a matte medium. I'm not a fan of gloss, and then I dispense it into a nice wide mouth container, and I use a brush. So what I'll do is just, as I said, take the photo and then gradually just take pieces out and then apply the matte medium to the bottom, glue it onto the mixed media paper, and then I'll brush it on the top to seal it as well. So, and once I've done that, I might change a few things around to what you see here, but once I've done that, then I'm going to get out my poster fragments and lay them on top, and I'll video that as the next step. So we'll see you in the next video.